Hi and welcome. In the 2022 update to Photoshop, Adobe added a brand new neural filter called Harmonisation. If you ever struggled colour matching a cutout with its background, then fret no more. In this video I'm going to show you how to harmonise colour between an object and a new background. Okay, let's start with this really nice sunset. And I'd like to drop into it this helicopter. Now the helicopter is from a totally different image and a background, so I've already created a mask to actually cut it out. I'll just hold the shift key down and click on that mask just to bring it into play. And now we've got the helicopter, but it doesn't really match that nice warm background. There's some quite cool tones in it because it's been brought from a very bluish background with the sky. So what can we do? Okay, we can use a new neural filter, and it is really good. So if we go to filter and neural filters, we'll get the neural filters dialog box come up. And what I want is the harmonisation filter. So I'm going to switch it on with this little switch. And then on the right hand side here, it'll ask me to select a layer. Now the layer is the one that I want to get the tones from, the colours. And that's obviously this background layer. So if I hit this little drop down, I've got my background. And when I click, you'll see it says processing and it's all done. And it's now harmonised the colour of the helicopter with the background. Now we can make changes. We've got the strength. We can put less strength in or more strength in. We can add a little bit of red maybe, and maybe a little bit of yellow, possibly a bit of saturation, and then a little bit of brightness just to brighten it up a little bit. Maybe a bit more, something like that. But now I think that helicopter's in keeping with the overall ambience of the image. Now while we're in the dialogue, we can show before and after with this little doohickey down here. So we can show the original. So that's the original. It is quite blue. And that's now we've absorbed a lot of the tones from the image behind, so it looks a lot better. Okay. Now we just need to think about output. Do I want to output it as the current layer, a new layer, or a smart filter? I'll just output it this time as a new layer, and I'll click OK. I can now turn off this layer underneath because I don't need it. And here we've now got that layer, which if I turn it on and off, you can see that we've got now a nice warm helicopter that fits in with the background. Okay, so what have we learned? Now you can harmonise the colour between an object and a new background using the new Harmonisation Neural Filter. Now I hope you found that useful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment. And please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button at the bottom of any page on my website, so you don't miss out next time I upload a video. Okay, I'll see you in the very next video. Bye for now.